Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Nugget from Twiddlefinger. So let's get started. To draw this cute Nugget, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this way, and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to go ahead and come over here and towards this edge a little bit more. Right about here, I'm going to draw this kind of ovalish circle and shade it in. And then on this side, towards the center, we're going to draw the same thing. So we're trying to make Nugget look towards the right. So just make sure you have this eye a little bit more towards that edge. Okay, there. Now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to draw the brow. So go up, say about right here, and we're just going to curve down and around the eye. And then we're just going to thicken it up and shade this all in as well. And same thing on the other side. So right here. And thicken it up. And before I finish the eyes, let's go ahead. I'm going to come to the top right here and just make this a little bit thicker, just so I can anchor the eyes a little bit more. I just think it helps to ground the eyes in. There. Okay, so just a little bit thicker. Then from there, let's draw the mouth. So I'm going to come in between the eyes, say about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve right about here. Extend this out a little bit more. And then we're going to draw the teeth. So come in. Oh, actually, no. You know what? Okay, let's just go ahead since I'm here. And we're going to go across. And then right about here, I'm going to slant it down. So slant it, finish this up. Then we're going to come in. And same thing here. Just bring it in. And then connect it with a curve for open mouth. Then right in this spot right here, we're just going to draw a tongue. So two curves. There. Okay, so Nugget's like, ah, right? So then from there, let's go ahead and we need to draw the chicken nugget shape. So let's just say the center of your eye, just come out really close to it. So say about right here. And then on this side, it's going to come out much wider. So just maybe double up that space. So I'll just say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. So it's just further out. And from there, we're just going to go up. And we're going to wobble these lines as we go. So it's just your chicken nugget shape, right? So we're just going to kind of, it's almost as if you're drawing a rock, really. And we're just going to go up and we just want to give it a little point, maybe about right here, and then start to bring it down. And then angle it down just to break up the shape and give it some definition. So then about right here, maybe just going to bring it down there. So just kind of wobble. There's no right or wrong way. We just want your basic chicken nugget. So then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this down. And then we're going to curve it a little bit. So let's kind of bring it in about right here and then curve it out. And then we're going to start to bring it in. So this side, we're just going to continue. And then smooth it out, round it off. And right about here, just angle it, smooth it out towards the bottom and then up. There. So hopefully that looks like a chicken nugget. Once you color it, just color this side a much darker. Give it some definition. Maybe some lines here. Just some details. Maybe here, just lightly. You can do this when you're coloring, just to give our nuggets some texture. There. Okay, and last but not least, I have to put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute nugget from Twiddlefinger FNF mod. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.